Excellence in Tourism Promotion for Africa and Global Africa Award. An individual who's contributed significantly to promoting Africa's tourism and cultural heritage.
Wode Maya.
Hello Africa. What this award means to me is that I am not crazy, because everyone thought that traveling within Africa, promoting Africa in a positive light would not be the way it is right now, and I'm receiving an African Prosperity Award. It shows that indeed Africans are believing in my dream. The most emotional moment on this journey is when I went to Uganda, which is not even my country, then realized that the entire village is literally waiting to welcome me to their village. In fact, it brought tears because I felt like a president that day, seeing motorcades, just villagers putting things together just to welcome me to their village. And at the end of the day, I had to just help, support, build the school in the same community. And it feels like I've achieved being an engineer couldn't help me achieve, but being a social media influencer has actually given me the opportunity to add impact in a community. I feel like so many Africans don't understand tourism, because tourism itself is an experience. I can be in Ghana today, just drink coconut, and it will be tourism for other people who never experienced certain things. So I believe that it's about time for us to redefine our tourism to the extent that it will attract everyone. I was literally in Lesotho and the country is booming just because I sat on a horse, and I'm like, why are people not sitting on a horse in this beautiful country? I'm getting so many bars online. People are just going, taking the same photos and showing to me. And at the end of the day, I'm not even the one who's gonna earn, but it's gonna boost the economy of the country, because the guy who is coming to take a picture with a horse will definitely buy, drink, sleep, travel in the country. So at the end of the day, what does it do to the economy of the country? So it's about time for all African countries to include the experience when they are selling tourism, because they keep on telling us that come for our gold, come for our minerals, but that is not tourism for me. Tourism, as simply as Wode Maya defines, is the experience that you get whenever you visit the country. To the organizers of African Prosperity Champions Award, I just want to say thank you so much for recognizing the annoying village boy from Ghana.